As we see, the wall of bed has entered the household. Holy shit. What the fuck is this bird doing here? And here we see the wall of bed has entered the household. He's like, hey, this should be a great place. I'm going to watch Macbeth in here. Let's look if we can get the fucking camera angle on here. Oh bloody hell. Oh, okay. I'll look behind me, so. This is better than watching Animal Planet. Come here, little birdie. Come here, bird. Fuck. Oh god. Huh. Maybe I should give him. Maybe I should give it breadcrumbs. We have a pet bird now. But first we should name you. How about Scaredy? Have you met my cat? Oh, and don't worry about the cat. It's fine. You can come down now. Hello? Oh, where are you? Did you fly off somewhere? The cat. Fuck. Birdie. Oh, there you are. Oh my god. Better not crap in the house. There's a bird in the house. Okay. I'm gonna give you some breadcrumbs. Okay. Hey, little birdie. Come here. Where are you? Are you in here? Hello? Where are you? Oh, there you are. Come on, birdie. I got some fresh bread over here. Oh, shit. Come on. Oh, come on. I want to see how much this bird wants bread. Oh, this bird's an idiot. What are you, flying drunk or something? La la di 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 da di da di di. What the fuck? Bird! Fucking. I don't know if it's gonna attack or is it gonna be like. Oh. Huh, maybe I should leave it out somewhere. Mostly where I can just... Okay. Bird, if you're hungry, there's a piece of bread here. So, you're welcome to stay at this place. Just don't crap everywhere. I'm gonna go outside, right? Jeez. Oh, jeez, I gotta take a piss. Oh, come on, Birdie. That's what I should name you, Birdie. You know the one piano singer, Birdie. You never heard of Skinny Love? Well, fuck you. You know what? Fuck you, Birdie. Yeah, because you're a fucking bird. Yeah. Hold on. Maybe you're just really. Fuck. Fuck. No, I should name you Becky. Let me smash, Becky. Let me smash. Come here, birdie. Come here, pretty birdie. Oh, shit. You wanna watch TV? You wanna smash? I'm gonna smash. Come here, birdie. Birdie. Come here, bird. Come here, big bird. Come here, little birdie. Come here, little birdie. You're a little birdie. You can fly. Okay, maybe if I put bread something. Here's some bread. Here's some bread. Oh, yeah, be a dick. Be a dick. Yeah. And I enjoy some bread. Enough shit. Well, this is the part to say, you're free! Goodbye, birdie. Hope you had a fun adventure.